Hello guys, today let us see about how to create an user interface by using an Excel sheets in order to enter any of the accountancy for your respective shops. So I would like to provide the title called as accountancy for GST made easy. So this is the very simpler form of attending any of the bill number, its status, its respective amounts, whether it has been cleared or not, etc. etc. In order to do that feasible, there is a provision provided in an Excel. First step is to go to the file, click here, go to options, here you are going to find this customize ribbon. Just click on this. So here it is going to open some of the dialog box. You are interested with creating a new tab, so you can also give the name for this. So you can just provide the new tab here. So you can rename this. You can just give that GST billing. Later you can press OK. Later you need to make these changes to all commands. In all commands you need to search for forms. FORMS. So here it is form. You can add to that respective commands. So you can just click on this. You can just rename this one. You can give any of the respective icons. You can also change the number systems, or you can also change the name of that respective display unit. You can just name it as billing generation unit or something like this. You can press OK. So the icon and the name is going to be get changed. So later you can just press OK here. So you can just see over here the new tab is going to be get created, GST billing. You can just click on that. So you can see this billing generation. So after this you need to create some of the respective entries that you are interested with. So I have been made some of the basic versions of entries like this: company name, product name, quantities, GST bill number, amount, status. So this is the some of the respective common procedure where the billing system is going to be get created with. So you can just select all this one. You can go for newly created tab here. So later billing generation, so it is going to ask you some of the things, list and all. You can just press OK. Later it is going to provide you an UI, an interface unit. You can just make an company name here, XYZ company. It can be any type of a company. It can be like pipe industries company, or it can be an tiles industry company. So which are all the business you are going to carry with, you can just give that respective company name. So you can provide the product name as well. So it can be an pipe manufacturing unit or an tile manufacturing unit. So quantity, you can just provide some of the quantities like here, and the GST number. So something like this, and the amount you can enter, and the status, paid or pending, anything. So after creating this, you can just press new over here. So without any destruction, it is going to be get added. So in this manner you can just create any number of files here: ABC tile 1 quantities 2500 or something like this, lakh, unpaid. You can just press new. So it is going to be get added over here. So like this you can generate any number of forms over here by using an user interface version of this Excel. So you can have some n number of forms like this. So later with respect to company's name, you can just select this one and you can go for printing. You can select an respective printing options, so you can just fit it to an one page. So whatever you have selected, only that much is going to be get printed. So this is all about how to create an billing system by using an simple form which have been provided in an Excel sheet. So this is an easiest method to make an accountancy in your shops. So thank you. Subscribe for more videos.